In this video, I'll show you how to configure or change the login details of your Wolters Kluwer account. This includes changing your password, changing the mobile phone number you use for SMS authentication, and configuring additional multi-factor authentication methods. On your CCH one-click homepage, you'll see a blue tile called My Login Preferences. If you can't see this tile, click Add Tiles and make sure it hasn't been hidden. Click My Login Preferences to view the various options you can amend. To change your login password, you need to enter your current password and your desired new password. Confirm your new password, then click Change Password to save your changes. Under the Multi-Factor Authentication section, you can see the 3 MFA options, and which are currently configured. Use the pencil icon to the right to change the settings for any of the options. I currently only have SMS configured as my authentication option. To change or update the mobile number linked to this option, click the pencil icon to the right. This shows the current mobile number in use. To change this, enter the new number, then click Next. An authentication code will be sent to this new number. You can see the mobile number you entered here. You must use the code within 5 minutes of receiving it. And there is an option to resend the code if yours expires. You can also edit the number you entered. Once you receive your code, enter the 6 digits and click Save. Your mobile number has now been updated. To configure an additional MFA option, use the pencil icon to the right. Having more than one multi-factor authentication option gives you flexibility when logging in. For example, if your mobile phone signal is weak. For authentication application, click the pencil. There are 3 different apps available in both the Google Play and Apple App Stores. Install your preferred app on your mobile or tablet device. Once installed, return to the web page and click Next. Use the app on your mobile or tablet device to scan the displayed QR code. This will register your Wolters Kluwer account with your Authenticator app, then generate you a code. Enter the 6 digits and click Save. Your authentication app is now configured. If you want to change the app you currently use, first remove your current association. Click the pencil icon, and if you are sure, click Continue. Click Next to display a new QR code to scan with your new Authenticator app. Enter the 6 digits and your new app is configured. To configure email as an alternative multi-factor authentication option, click the pencil icon. Enter a valid email address and click Next. Check your inbox for an email containing an authentication code. The email comes from noreply@wolterskluwercloud.com. If you don't receive it, you may need to whitelist this email sender in your spam filter. You can see the email address you entered here. You must use the code within 5 minutes of receiving it, and there is an option to resend the code if yours expires. You can also edit the email address you entered. Once you receive your code, enter the 6 digits and click Save. Your email address has now been updated. When you have more than one MFA option configured, you will see this on the account verification screen. If you have configured an Authenticator app, this will be used by default. Click one of the links to receive your code by an alternate method. If you configure both SMS and email, but not an Authenticator app, you will need to click a link to choose how to receive your code each time you log in. If you want to fully reset your multi-factor authentication options, click on Disable Multi-Factor Authentication, then Configure Multi-Factor Authentication, and make sure you configure at least one of the 3 methods. The Show Recovery Codes functionality is discussed in our video, Wolters Kluwer Account Recovery. The multi-factor authentication configuration is not applicable to CCH one-click and can be left alone. When you have finished making all your changes, click Back to return to the CCH one-click homepage.